Hot dang, it feels good to be back. That's a little bit more literal today than I would like. It's gonna be 97 degrees. I don't expect I'm gonna be here for a whole lot of time. But man, I am so excited to be back at the job site again. I'm so happy that this gets to be my full-time gig for quite a while, and I'm ready to get this house rolling for sure. I think the goals for this week are going to be to finish off bracing here, shouldn't take very long, and then I'm going to be hopefully getting that second bay up. Okay, I've got all the temporary bracing in. That's the diagonals on the current ones. The reason I chose to do temporary for those ones is just because there's going to be a lot of squaring and shifting that needs to happen after we get them up on the post. This is mostly just to ensure that as we're raising the truss bays that they don't just collapse under their own weight. Okay, bay number 1 is done for right now. Now all we gotta do is do it 2 more times. Okay, so it's a new day. Round 3 of can that drill bit actually work? Got a multi-material bit to try out this time. It's got that nice hex base. So hopefully this one will actually do the job. We'll see, I guess. Oh, great. Yeah, so 2 holes in, or 3 holes in, this thing's already toast. This is just like, I don't know, this just must be a really difficult application, or these nail plates must be made out of hardened steel or something like that, because this is just no bueno. So got all the hangers on this side of this truss. I went through all 4 of the bits that I bought. Thought that that was definitely going to be more than enough, but the carbide teeth fell off on all of them. They're about $4 a piece, and maybe you could get through a project if you bought like 25 of them or something, but I don't really want to spend $100 on bits that only drill 2 or 3 holes each. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I need to find some bits that can do the job I need to. Alright, so the second truss pair of bay 2 is up. It didn't go quite as smooth as the other ones. I had some issues with the little support blocks here kind of tipping over, so that was a little interesting. Everything's working on. I just need to start getting the purlins all cut and all that stuff so that we can get this kind of more stable as a unit. closer to finishing this second truss bay. I think that's more or less on track with my thought that we will be ready to start lifting in about 5 weeks, maybe a little bit ahead, but I think mostly on track. It was kind of a weird week. We're adjusting to the new schedule with me working on this full time now, but we should be doing things more regularly now. And that's about it. If you found this helpful or entertaining, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're interested in light homesteading, living a thrifty life to the max, or building barndominiums, then hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. I'll catch you guys next time.